So good morning. This is us, and we are at the Tucquan Campground again in Pennsylvania, working on our second cup of coffee. We're gonna put the lights out and bring the stove out and bring the grill out so we can grill tonight. Say good morning.
Good morning. Wonderful morning.
So yeah, so he forgot to bring the extension cord, right?
You only have 100 of them.
To put the lights up, so we'll figure it out. Let's see if that records. Oh, that's backing up. Yep. Nice. Look at that. I don't have to hold it now. Yeah, so I got this new, I don't even know what it is. It's holding my phone onto the mirror. I just wanted to see how it would film, so I don't know. It is a bumpy road. It might film better on a smoother road. I guess I could try.
Sure will.
Right now it's a little bumpy. So we're going down to get some wood for campfire tonight. This is the store that we're coming to. I mean, I like it here, you know. Lots of people camping.
Yeah, there's still a lot of people here.
As we can see. Bumpy a little bit.
They got the cord in here, not that I need to buy anymore, but I want an extension cord.
So I don't like where I'm at, so I moved down someplace else, not thinking it could be someone else's spot. That's just not
That's more of this story is we have a favorite camp spot here that I reserved Tuesday, and we get here yesterday evening and somebody's parked there.
Yeah, so that's not right.
And come to find out, they were over here in the tier section where we're headed now.
Like up there.
And we ended up stuck up there too, but that's not where I wanted.
So where we're going now is where they wanted to send us because somebody took our spot. Whoever took our spot was up here originally, didn't like where they were, so took someone else's spot, not thinking maybe someone.
This section of the campground all year long has water. We have our own water on board, so I wanted my D18 spot.
Would be nice. The end right here. This end right here.
Way.
I like the end right here.
Care.
Nobody can be on that side. And T10.
No, we were supposed to be in 04.
They must have animals.
And if you're going to do it, you want to be down on this other end.
Maybe. The traffic's kind of, I think, a lot up here. People are coming and going all night long, it seems.
There's workers in the area that stay here in campers. I guess they're up on the hill further. I don't know.
I guess you got to get used to that, but I like the peaceful.
Yeah. I'd rather look at trees than old campers.
Wow, that's been here a while.
Yeah. So it worked out. We picked D24 instead. So.
Yeah, so it worked out, but still, you know, yeah, I guess if you don't like where you're at, you know, oh well, you know, get another one next time. You just probably shouldn't move into another spot because somebody else.
Next year there's only one camper. That would have been all right, maybe, but that's all right. I like where we're at. It's more wooded, more private. Somebody goofed, and we ended up having to make the change. So.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to.
This is still a very nice campground. They're nice people. The actual girl that runs the place is out of town. Has been out of town for the week. So.
Yeah.
But we just came out of the store office from registering, and they said that person that's in our spot was originally over in the tier section where we just drove through. So.
Yes. Hopefully, when they check out, they'll have a little conversation. So, like this one right here.
That's supposed to be our spot.
That's our
Wish
spot.
I had the motorhome though, but
yeah.
That's not our motorhome. That's where we're supposed to be. It is what it is. We're the older brave down there along the line. It is what it is.
But we're being a nice guy. I didn't knock on anybody's door, which I would like to, but I didn't. So
From Maryland.
they have 2 big dogs, and that's okay. And this is us, right there. But it's good. I mean, there's nobody around us, so I like it. So I'm gonna turn it around before we sign off. I don't even know how this is gonna look. And this is where you gotta look up
well,
there.
my hair, number one's a mess. Because
And you gotta look up there on the left if you want to look like you're looking in the camera.
Okay. I'm facing the phone. It's good enough. Camera, phone, camera. This is us. Tomorrow's memories today. We're here being. Maybe we'll get a payback for this one day for being a nice guy and not going to bang on the door. Hey, you're in my spot. That's okay. So
Yeah.
had it been busy camping season, we'd had a problem.
Yeah, right.
So bad.
Because we wouldn't have had a spot. But I like it. I mean, I like it here, and nobody else is here.
My biggest disgruntle is all my extension cords have been taken out of the motorhome, and they were used at a banquet last weekend for a pulling truck and tractor pulling banquet, and somebody forgot to put them back in the motorhome. So now no camp lights. Dadgummit.
That's okay.
Yeah, we'll have a bonfire later. It'll be okay.
We'll have a campfire. That'll light up. That'll light up the darkness.
Yep.
Okay, so Jerry took out the Blackstone grill, which there's a hole there, which we use to cook our dinner. And it's so amazing. It cooks so good. So good. I mean, it cooks perfect. Everything is cooked evenly and tastes great. Okay. I wanted to show you, this is a solo stove, and it's supposed to be smokeless. So this is the first time that we have used it. We're going to use it tonight. You can see it's beautiful, sparkling clean. This part comes off. I guess you can clean it easier. Yeah, so we're going to attempt that tonight. I'll show you that. I wanted to show them the case that it came in.
No, I had to buy that case separate.
Oh, we had to buy a case separate. No, I meant for the solo stove.
Yeah, it's buried.
Yeah, so there's a case in there that, you know, wraps completely around the solo stove, and it's beautiful. So it is a beautiful day, and we're going to enjoy it. It's like, what, 47 degrees outside, but it feels 48, but it feels pretty good out. I actually think so. Okay. Let's go say hi to the kitties. I'm not sure which one's at the window. Oh, this is our rug. I know I show that all the time, but making memories one campsite at a time. Tomorrow's memories today. We are found on Facebook. We're found on YouTube. And we're also found on Instagram. We want to show you that. Tomorrow's memories today. And this is Jerry's pulling business. Eat pulling. Eat pulling. He makes wonderful videos. This right here in the window is Sammy. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. That's Samuel Lee. He's a good boy. Beautiful boy. Let's go see what he's doing.
Show the unforeseen side of the motorhome.
What's that?
Show the other unforeseen.
Oh, did we tell her we were in 24? We're in 23 or 22. That's 24.
23.
Yeah, there's one more down there, I guess. Yeah, there's one more down there. So we lit our new solo stove fire pit. Look at the blaze. That is so nice. It's so warm. It's supposed to be less smoke, which I guess it is. I don't see a lot of it. Not like it was at the campfire when we weren't in that thing below it. Wow. And it's very warm. Feels very nice. You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
So that's what that is. Okay. So good afternoon. We're doing a pit early today because it's supposed to rain tonight, and we're not using our solar stove. We're just going to use the campground pit. It's already started. It's 12 o'clock, a little after. Right there. They left their pit burning or smoking. It's Sunday, and it's very peaceful and quiet today. We're going to stay one more evening and then have to be home tomorrow. So I sing for residents at nursing homes, and I have to do that tomorrow. And then get back to work. That would be a perfect Christmas tree right there. If I could just bring some lights, I could have decorated it. Hi, Jerry. You got anything to say? It's Sunday. He doesn't have much to say.
Coffee's warm.
We have warm coffee, and we have a fire pit, and peacefulness. Everybody's going around us. Well, there's only one person there, but they're gone. Yep. Just enjoying our last day. So I wanted to share this with you. I just wish you could feel it out here. It feels like a cool, crisp winter day. It's just not real cold though. It's just, but it smells like winter. Feels like a little bit of winter. The log crackling. The warmth from the fire. The trees are bare. Leaves all over the ground. Birds were singing, chirping. It's just very peaceful and quiet and just very serene. And I just wanted to share that with everybody. If you could just smell this and feel this, the way this day is, oh, it's very, very nice. It is a beautiful day. Even though it looks like it might rain, it's very nice and very peaceful. So enjoy your day, everybody.